From Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mujra remarks to the ECI releasing absolute numbers of voters for 5 phases, here are the top political developments of today. India bloc performing Mujra for its vote bank, says PM Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday vowed to thwart alleged attempts to rob Dalits and backward classes of reservations by the India bloc, which he accused of enslavement and performing Mujra for Muslim vote bank.
अपने वोट बैंक की गुलामी करनी है तो करें, उनको वहां जाके मुजरा करना है तो भी करें। मैं एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी आरक्षण के साथ डट करके खड़ा हूं, खड़ा रहूंगा, जब तक जान है लड़ता रहूंगा।
ECI releases seat-wise data for first 5 phases. The Election Commission of India on Saturday came out with Lok Sabha constituency-wise data on the number of votes cast in the first 5 phases of the elections. This is what the EC said in a statement, and I quote, "The Commission feels duly strengthened by the Honorable Supreme Court's observations and verdict on the process of release of turnout data by the Election Commission of India. This brings upon the Commission a higher responsibility to serve the cause of electoral democracy with undeterred resolution." Unquote. Samajwadi Party and Congress allege India bloc's Ambedkar Nagar candidate put under house arrest. The Congress and the Samajwadi Party on Saturday alleged that SP's Ambedkar Nagar Lok Sabha constituency candidate Lalji Verma has been put under house arrest at the behest of the ruling BJP. In a post on X, SP's chief Akhilesh Yadav said, and I quote, "Police was sent to raid the house of SP's winning Ambedkar Nagar candidate Shri Lalji Verma, but the police were not supposed to find anything and they did not find anything." Unquote. Polling deliberately slowed at a booth in Anantnag Rajouri seat. As the People's Democratic Party president and her mother Mehbooba Mufti continued a sit-in protest, Iltija Mufti had alleged polling was being deliberately slowed down at a booth in the Anantnag Rajouri Lok Sabha constituency. Mehbooba Mufti is contesting the poll from the Anantnag Rajouri constituency itself. She posted about the issue on X, saying polling is deliberately being slowed down in Khanabal polling station number 26, requesting DC Anantnag and the ECI to look into it. However, the administration denied the charges, saying voting was going on smoothly.
यहाँ बिजवाड़ा में बंद वो है ना, और भी जितने लोग हैं आप जाके देखिए, उनका रिकॉर्ड देखिए, किसी के खिलाफ FIR कभी दर्ज हुई है? झूठ बोलते हैं। इनको इलेक्शन रिग करने के लिए जिम्मेवारी दी गई, जैसे 87 में कुछ अफसरों ने किया था, आज ये लोग कर रहे हैं और इनके बस की बात भी नहीं है। सारा ऊपर से LG के ऑफिस से डायरेक्शन आ रही है, DG के ऑफिस से डायरेक्शन आ रही है। ये बेचारे क्या करेंगे? ये तो कठपुतली है। ये सिर्फ लोगों को खौफजदा करने के लिए हो रहा है, ताकि कश्मीरी वोट डालने के लिए ना निकले। इनको पता है अगर कश्मीर के लोग वोट डालने निकलेंगे, साउथ कश्मीर के लोग वोट डालने निकलेंगे, महबूबा मुफ्ती कामयाब हो जाएगी और पार्लियामेंट में पहुंचेगी, और महबूबा मुफ्ती को पार्लियामेंट में बर्दाश्त करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है।
The approximate voter turnout is 57.70% as of 5 p.m. according to the Election Commission's Voter Turnout app.